Okay, I've been having this issue with the 2017 Toyota Santa. This is my wife's van. There's been a popping, clunking, grinding noise when you're turning, either way, left or right. When you hit a bump, it pop. Accelerating, braking. I mean, you name it. When weight basically shifts on this thing, you would hear a pop in the front end. Well, there's several causes of this. It can be, I mean, you read on forums, you'll say CV axles, ball joints, struts, your torque strut mount on top of your engine, all your engine mounts, your transmission mount, your wheel bearings. I mean, the list goes on and on, sway bar end links. Well, after diagnosing all those things, I found zero evidence that it was any of those. So it really leaves your head scratching. Well, the thing with this noise is that it wouldn't do it all the time. Like right now, sitting on this concrete, you can turn the wheel and it would not do it. We happened to be getting groceries one day and it was doing it pretty consistently, like on rough pavement for some odd reason. So my wife had to be with me and I had her put it in reverse, turning the wheel, because that's when it was doing it. When it was in reverse and I was turning the wheel. And I couldn't really pinpoint it. So when we got home, we tried to mimic that sound again and got it on the rough concrete on the front apron with it in reverse. And I had my stethoscope, okay? And I'm gonna show you, I was originally thinking maybe the rack and pinion where the sound was coming from. But then I got my stethoscope on it and I happened to push it right here, and that's where the noise was coming from. And I found these rocks on both sides, right here where the subframe meets the frame of the van, okay? And they were wedged right in here. I'll see if I can't get my light where you can see in there a little bit. But you can see this rock in particular. I mean, it's black, discolored. It was rubbing. And you can see this one also. See the marks on it? These were on the other side, the driver's side, but I found a big rock on this passenger side. Let's see if I can, that light ain't gonna do that good. But it was right in that hole and it was wedged against the, I guess you'd say, call them body mounts, where the subframe meets this. So I'm just making this video to say, keep it simple first. I did check for rocks in the beginning when I had this diagnosis or this issue. But I was looking around ball joints and in the struts and things, didn't find any rocks. Make sure you're looking where all this subframe and stuff meets up for these rocks, because this was the issue. And yeah, I'm just real amazed, because I just don't even know how these even got up there, because when you look at my tires, I mean the tread on my tire, maybe it could throw that one up there, but I mean, the other rock I pulled out of here, not one of these two, but it was bigger than this, so I have no clue how that happened. So I'm not saying rocks are your issue, but it is very good to look into and look more than just around the ball joints and the tie rod ends and the sway bar end links. I mean, look where that subframe bolts up to the frame of the van. So anyways, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.